Hey guys, welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So here's Australia's most wanted coins of 2022, the 2022 Remembrance Day Poppy, and no doubt, look, I'm very fortunate to be able to have a couple of these right now, but obviously it feels a little bit funny actually talking about a coin that technically not everyone's had a chance to actually get a hold of yet, and hopefully in the next coming days, if not week, everyone will get a chance to at least, well, get into a queue and have an opportunity to potentially get yourself one of these. Will the mint change their ability to, whether or not we hand out 3 per person, or will they knock it back? Or it's probably a little bit late in some ways to knock it back when people have been able to call up and line up and grab these in batches of 3s, but it may be more fair. So here it is here. Obviously everyone's very aware of this coin because it certainly is a very contentious coin that everybody wants to get a hold of, and this symbolizes obviously our armed forces and the sacrifice that they made, and it's Remembrance Day, represented by the red poppy. So this is a replica coin in some ways. It is the real deal, but it is a 10-year anniversary of the 2012 coin. Now, this is the C mint marked coin, and we all know that this has a very limited mintage. So none of these, even without a C mint mark, are even being made or put into circulation. So that's why this coin is so sought after, because there's only 60,000 of this coin. So there we have it there, 60,000, and obviously it's a $2 coin, which is the most popular denomination to collect. And these at the recommended retail price of $15. That did jump around. They were going to come around for $17.50. The mint really could have made a lot of money on this issue. They could have potentially put out hundreds of thousands of these and charged us more, and I'm pretty sure we all would have been happy to pay, let's say, $20 each. It may not have reflected nicely on the mint, but they certainly could have done that. And possibly even if they had have charged us a little bit more, but put some dollars back into the RSL, I think that would have been a really good move, and something that would have served the reputation of the RAM very well, and certainly would have been helpful to our retired services league. All right, so that's enough on that one. So I genuinely hope that people who haven't been able to get these are able to get one whenever the Royal Australian Mint do choose to allow them to go public in the coming days. Let's hope it's coming days. All right, the next coin which I was able to get a hold of is the centenary of the Smith family coin. Big carded coin in comparison to the Remembrance. I do like these smaller cards. It is something different. Certainly from a C mint marked point of view, it's interesting to have such small cards. And I mean, when we have limited privy type $1 coins, they are often in this sort of format as well. So this is a big card, same size card as, what was it, the coloured rotary $1 coin. All right, so let's see if we can have a little closer look at this one. It's a happy coin. I really do like the fact that we're seeing families, children. We've got the 100 years in the centre there, and almost like a celebration of fireworks going on in the background is how I would look at that, and that's certainly reflected on the packaging as well. So once again, we have the effigy of the Queen Elizabeth II, and it's dated 2022. A little bit of information there about the Smith family and what they've been up to over the past 100 years. and mintage of just 20,000. And in some ways I would have liked to have seen, say, this coin go into circulation. I think it would have been good to have a commemorative dollar coin. We don't have too many commemorative dollar coins in recent years, so it would have been nice to have something like this go into our circulation. But there we have it there. I can't remember what the price was on that one there. All right, the next one we're going to have a look at. I've got a couple of other coins which I've picked up recently, which are these Mint 901 coins. Now, these are silver coins. I've got these ones are actually colorized. All right, now it's really clever packaging actually, and I'll show you why in a moment. But these particular coins were available. I'm not sure who was selling them, but they might have been through the Royal Australian Mint, but without the colour. So I'm not sure if that's exactly the case, but yeah, the Terra 2022 coins, and these are, as it says there, 99.9% 1 ounce of fine silver. I'm not sure what it says in there. I can't exactly. Maybe that's coordinates or something like that. So this is colorized, okay? And once again, beautiful packaging put together here. And I picked these up from My Collectibles. It's got a magnetic sort of case here, and that does open up and you can get to the coin, which is a very interesting packaging. And then it is also sleeved. Let's pop that one down. Oh, these colorized coins are limited just to 100 pieces, and this one here is number 27 of 100. So looks beautiful. I absolutely love it. So all right, let's pop that one down. The next one, there we have it. There is a Krugerrand, so that is the South African coin, so as it says up there. And this one here is not colorized, but it's ruthenium and gold. I did look up ruthenium. I can't remember what I looked up anymore, but it was a type of metal. And once again, limited to 100 pieces, and this one is numbered number 18. And once again, it is an ounce of silver. So yeah, all that sort of gold, that would not be on the standard silver bullion coin. And that is the obverse there. So South African silver. All right, so I like those two, and I'm really pleased to be able to add those to my collection. All right, so the last coin we're going to be having a look at in this video is the second in the series, which is the Beauty, Rich and Rare series, which the Royal Australian Mint has undertaken. This one here is the Daintree forest. We had the Great Barrier Reef as the first coin, which I absolutely loved. If you remember, that was a domed coin as this one is, and that one had like a blue sort of stream running through the middle of the coin. I'll just grab this out. The Mint has continued on with this cardboard eco-friendly packaging, rather cheap packaging, unfortunately. This one here is numbered at 5,618. So there's a mintage of 7,500, and this is a 1 ounce $5 coin. All right, so let's have a look at it. I got it up the wrong way. There it is. Let's grab it out. Let's pop that aside. So I actually like this one. I like the design of this one as well. I think I wish I had have brought the other one along with me now, but the Daintree rainforest, and I just love the perspective that this is this is designed. For me, you're looking up through the canopy of the trees, and I really like that perspective, and an interesting way to go about it. So there we have the Daintree Forest 2022 Beauty, Rich and Rare. So, and we can see that it is a domed coin. Hopefully you can pick that up on the camera there. It's a domed coin, which makes it special and interesting, and allows the light to bounce off it differently as well. So once again, we have Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, 1 ounce of fine silver, and some other Australian depictions that are in the frosted area of the coin. Beautiful mirror finish, but once again, absolutely beautiful coin. So as I said, 7,500 of those coins, and these coins you'll be able to also grab a hold of one when the release day happens. And I wish we knew the date, but we don't as of the time of recording. So those are the coins I just wanted to highlight for this video. And yeah, look, only time will tell exactly how everything's going to work out. But yes, it was said that bots were trying to access and jump in the queue for access, so that people who were running these bots would have been able to make many transactions faster than any of us would be able to do, just by clicking and going through our payments. Those kind of bots would have taken a good chunk of the allocation of these coins and then put them in various market situations like eBay and Facebook and those kind of things to try and flog them off and make some extra money. So I'd much rather this situation where the mint take their time and allow us at least an opportunity to be able to purchase some of these coins. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed having a look at a few extra coins, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.